This program is proudly sponsored by Fundify, where everyday people invest in tomorrow's biggest startups. For more information on Fundify, click the link in the description. Most people never get rich because they were never shown where to look. They were taught to work hard, save money, and pray. Something magical is going to happen. But let me ask you, what if you could invest like the wealthy without being wealthy? Today I'm going to introduce you to something powerful. It's called Fundify, a platform that opens up early stage investing to people like you and me. If you're serious about wealth, if you're tired of being the last to know, and if you're ready to play the game like those who win, this video is for you. Now, let's get real. Most people are stuck in a system that teaches them to be good consumers, not good investors. The job market tells you to work hard, climb the ladder, and hope your 401k saves you. But do you know what wealthy people do? They invest early. They take small risk on big ideas before the rest of the world even catches on. That's called early stage investing. And for years, unless you were an accredited investor with a big checkbook, you couldn't touch it. You couldn't own a slice of the next Uber or the next Airbnb or the next Peloton, not before the IPO anyway. But that's where the real money is made, before the hype, before the media, before the market. You've been locked out, but not anymore. Fundify is a platform that flips the script. It gives everyday investors, not just millionaires, a chance to put their money into vetted startups. That means founders with a business plan, startups solving real problems, opportunities to own equity in real companies. Not every business will be a winner. Let me be clear about that. Investing always carries risk, but this isn't about gambling. It's about strategy. Fundify makes it simple to review companies, understand what they offer, and invest what you feel comfortable with. You can invest $100 in a business today that turns into something massive 5 years from now. And listen, if you've ever said, man, I wish I got in early, well, this is your early. Let's talk about timing. We're in a moment where traditional paths to wealth are breaking down. Real estate is extremely expensive and highly competitive. The stock market is volatile and often rigged against small investors. Savings accounts, don't even get me started. But startups, they are launching every single day, solving real problems, scaling fast. This is the economy of innovation, and platforms like Fundify are opening that door. You no longer have to wait until a company goes public to own a part of it. Now you can say, I was there first. I believe this matters because your financial future shouldn't be determined by what you weren't taught. It should be determined by what you chose to do. Now would be a great time to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload great content like this every week. Now, let me slow it down for a second. This isn't hype, this is strategy. Just because you can invest doesn't mean you should jump on every single thing. Fundify gives you the tools, but you still need vision. You need clarity. You need to ask, does this startup solve a real world problem? Does it have leadership that knows what they're doing? Do I believe in the mission of the company I'm investing in? These are questions investors ask, and you need to start asking them too. The leaders at Fundify, those involved in the selection process, ask these same questions to come up with the best of the best. Don't think of investing as spending. Think of it as planting. When you invest through Fundify, you're planting seed, and smart seeds in the right soil, they grow. Now, if you've been burned financially in the past, I hear you. If you've been told this type of investing is too risky, I get it. But let me challenge your thinking. What's riskier, trying to build wealth with no ownership or learning how to own something with real upside? The job market can let you go. A paycheck can run out. But when you own equity, you no longer just work for money. Your money is working for you. And with Fundify, you're not going in blind. You're not gambling in the dark. You're choosing from startups that have gone through a screening process. You get access to data. You can see what other investors are saying. You can move with information, not just emotion, and that's powerful. So here's what I want you to do today. Click the link in the description below and create your free account on Fundify. Take a look around, even if you're not ready to invest yet. Start learning what early stage ownership looks like, because the future doesn't wait. And wealth doesn't get built by hesitation. It gets built by intention. You've been given the opportunity to get in early, to play the game like the top 1%. Don't let another door open without walking through it. Your wealth journey doesn't start next year. It starts when you feel ready, and it can start right now. Well, this is Duane, the Success King, and I'm here to help you build a legacy, not just a lifestyle. If this video helped you see things differently, drop a comment, subscribe, and share this with someone who's been stuck financially. And don't forget, click that link below and explore Fundify for yourself. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Be blessed.